Hello, welcome back guys to Spotaria channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to change an avatar in Disney Plus on iPhone. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bells button to support the channel. And so now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, firstly of course you just have to open your Disney, and here just go ahead to your profile. And as you can see on my profile, I use the Mickey Mouse and avatar. So if you want to change it, just tap on this edit options. Now go ahead to your profile like this. And this is the avatar that I use. If you want to change it, you just have to slide it to the left or to the right like this. This is the avatar that provided by the application here guys. For example, here I'm gonna use this one. Now tap on this checklist button at the bottom to save it. Tap on save and continue. And yeah, as you can see, for my avatar on my Disney Plus account is already changed guys. So yeah, I think it's enough for me. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.